Outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking
That's how you do
might have
chicken.
caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Is that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Try and get known, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth, was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth, now when I drive around, don't feel it up, why it's getting colder when the sun come out, might just waste away, don't know what life about, another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah, walk around like who you, yeah, just something you get used to, yeah, don't blame the June blues, yeah, it's just the June blues, yeah, walk around like who you, yeah, just something you get used to, yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under.
Video he saw in Iron Man 2. This is
Yeah. Let's go. Do it time, move.
Here, click here.
Click here, click here, click here.
My name is Rhea Carey. I'm a certified life coach and motivational speaker.
My goal is to help people tap into their inner confidence because confidence is the foundation of everything. Not me. That's what it's.
Lamig.
Her disguise, yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes to turn to school like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey beautifuls, I'm back and I'm just gonna go to bed now. Like, I'll probably take off my makeup and go to bed. So I'm just gonna open the day 6 of the calendar with you guys. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. That's new. What is this? It's the Ferrero Cappuccino. So we've tried 1, 2, 3, 4 already. 4 versions of the chocolates of the Ferrero. So we'll try this one out. So it's like this. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and watch for the next upcoming Vlogmas videos that I'm coming up with. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell button for more upcoming videos. Bye bye. Love you.
Let's go. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets.